Are you looking to install an outdoor kitchen? Here at Solaic Outdoor Kitchens of Tampa, we offer a complete outdoor kitchen service in Tampa Bay. If you enjoy cooking on a regular basis, but also enjoy being outdoors, an outdoor kitchen is ideal for you. It is perfect for entertaining or cooking during our beautiful weather. It becomes a fun and relaxing place to gather with friends and family. In addition to making cooking and entertaining more fulfilling, you may significantly add to the overall value of your home with the addition of a beautiful and functional outdoor kitchen. At Solaic Outdoor Kitchens of Tampa, we will help you design and install the outdoor kitchen of your dreams. We have experienced and skillful staff and the perfect product for our Florida environment. Call us today on 813-515-6980 for your free survey, design and estimate, or visit our website www.solaictampa.com.